slick girls get me every time. Them slick girls could get every time. Them slick girls get.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blue Shell, and I didn't record when we had left the house because we went to the nail shop, as I'm sure I'm gonna put in the vlog. But we're at Hart's restaurant, and it's called Hart House, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, so these are the tater tots, and then I got a number 5, which was like the hot and spicy chicken sandwich, and then she got a number 6, which is the same thing, but hers got like a kale salad on it, and then this is mine. This is and then these are the French fries, and then my drink. I think this is a tea. It's peach or something like that. Like when I went over there, I asked the lady. I was like, "Oh, is it good?" She was like, and I was like, "What it tastes like?" She was like, "It tastes like earth." So I was like, "Okay," because I don't drink tea. I don't like tea, nothing like that. But this one is cinnamon, turmeric, and vanilla. And then my mom got a soda. Oh, this is a soda, by the way.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be all organic.
All of it's organic. Okay, so y'all, obviously y'all a little crooked right now, but this is like literally the best I could do. Because I had lost my tripod in the airport somewhere, and you know, I don't have another one. So y'all just got to stay like, okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try my food. I'm gonna try my food. You want your ketchup? I know. It tastes like a regular tater tot.
Ask the chef. What is that? He's like, oh hey, I want to
We got some sauce. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, this is fire.
I need to take mine to go.
So if you come here, get the hot and spicy chicken sandwich. It's the number 5.
They probably out of cookies and everything.
Well, they close at 12. But we got Crumbl cookies, y'all. Oh. I've heard so many people talk about these cookies. I got my eyebrows done, by the way. Got them done like a few hours ago. How you doing? Did we order over here? And I heard so many people talk about it on Twitter, and so many people was basically saying like it's not good, like it's overrated. And honestly, God, I'm not really expecting them to be like the craziest, most delicious, bomb cookies in the world. But I just want to try and just say I tried them, you know, just to give it a fair rating. I'm not going off of what everybody else is saying. Hi. These the only flavors?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, we're gonna do the 4-pack. Okay. So the cookie butter lava.
Okay.
Pink sugar cookie, I guess.
Okay.
Which one you want to try? I'm doing chocolate chip. Okay, a chocolate chip.
Okay.
And then chocolate chip. Another chocolate chip.
Alright.
So y'all only be having like 6-7 cookies a week? Or
We usually only have 6 cookies a week, but this week we had 8.
Okay.
8 flavors.
Okay, that's it. We got our Crumbl cookies, and everybody on Twitter is basically saying they're not good and stuff like that, but I already know that. Like, I feel like anything that's like too detailed or like, you know, be doing the most with stuff, I don't think it's good. But I'm still gonna try them. And I got, let me tell y'all. Okay, so this one was pink sugar cookie, this one was cookie butter lava, and then these two is you know, just chocolate chip. But let me tell you, so I know they said that the cookies, whatever, they be having different flavors every single day, but when I went there, it was literally only, they had 8 cookies, and he said they usually be having 6 or something, but the 8 they had was just regular cookies. Like, they had the chocolate chip, they had the little fudge one, they had a peanut butter cookie. Like, where's the Fruity Pebbles and where's all that stuff? Like, I don't know where that's at, but those were just cookies that I want to try. Like, these are just regular cookies, like, so I'm kind of disappointed in that. Okay, but anyway, so this is cookie butter. I wonder if there's something in the middle. I don't know. It is. It don't taste like peanut butter. I don't know if it is peanut butter. I don't know what this tastes like. I don't know what this tastes like, but it definitely tastes like something. See, no. Now I gotta take another bite because I'm mad. It tastes like a familiar cookie brand, but I can't remember what it is, but it's good. Like, out of this one, I'm gonna rate this one, I'm gonna just rate them out of 5. So this one, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10 because it's really good, but it's not like crazy unique, like, you know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all can try, I had that before. And this one is just sugar cookie. And yeah, I'm not gonna try the chocolate chip ones because a chocolate chip cookie is either good or it's not. That is really good. Okay. You know, as expected.
Now she asking you what you
I like the cookie butter one. I don't like this one. It's not nasty, but I'm gonna give it like a 3 out of 5. Just cause. Yeah. Oh, I need some water. I need some water. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, we finna go. I'm gonna see y'all whenever I see y'all. I don't know. Yeah, I just turned on this camera and started recording, okay? So if it's all over the place, I don't know what to tell you because my life is all over the place right now. But, yeah. So I'll see y'all some other time.
Work, relationship status, I want to know it all.
Well, I am trying to get my MFA, but I'm...
Thank you, miss.
The movie theaters because we didn't get to finish the movie. She wanted to leave because it's way too many kids in there. I don't know if you were able to see all the kids and stuff, but it was like millions and millions of kids. Like, I kid you not, they was like all under the age of 16. Like, that's what it looked like, all under the age of 16. And they was running in and out the theaters. They was movie hopping. Some people was like sitting, you know, when you go into the theater, some people was like sitting on the floor charging their phones. There was no security. They were hopping over the seats, standing up in front of the screen. They was talking all loud and stuff. And then it was like, it was even like they was like saying, oh, give me some popcorn or something like that. Like, no, they was talking like, what nigga, like what you say, da da da, and then like it was just dumb little kid stuff, like.
They better get my money back for this parking too. Like, how many times was he gonna say, y'all eat ass, you eat ass, my nigga? Like,
no, because that's really what they were saying. They were saying like just dumb stuff.
And he said it like 4 times. Like, how many times are you gonna say that?
He was like, oh, she said she from Miami. She said she eat booty. And it was just like, what? Like, how old are you? Like, and all those kids was like, they was definitely like 14 and stuff. And even like, okay, so when we was leaving, these 2 girls, they walked in and they was like, oh, what movie is this? And I was like, it's The Invitation. And they were like, oh no. And they were like, okay, thank you. And then they went like this to tell the other friends, whatever, to come down, basically saying like, oh, that wasn't the right movie. So the kids that was in there wasn't even in that movie to watch that movie. Like, they was in there because they thought it was something else. But
in there movie hopping.
Yeah, they in there movie hopping and stuff. And so they had left when I told them, oh no, this is The Invitation, whatever. They had went to the movie theater right across from them, and it was just like, okay, that was it. But it was like there was no security. It was nobody telling them like, hey, you can't do that. Like, oh. And then when I went to the confession stand, yeah, that's, you know, whatever, when I was going to go get the popcorn and stuff like that, they didn't have no cup trays, they didn't have no combos, they didn't have like no nothing. Like, they barely had straws, and it was a mess. And all the kids and stuff, they were standing in line in groups, and like, you know, it's I don't know, well, it don't matter, you don't even got to be from LA, but like, you know, if you ever been in Knott's Berry Farm, like, you know how kids be standing in those lines and stuff, and they be standing in groups, and it's just, why is it blurry? And they just be standing in groups and lines and stuff, and then 2 people will leave, and then they'll be like, oh, get this or so and so, and then they'll stand there, and then 2 other people will come back, and then the other group will come back, and it's just a whole group just standing there in line. So I'm sitting there tapping everybody. Like,
now they want to send police and stuff. No, because these kids is up here doing too much.
Yeah, it was bad, y'all. But what was I finna say? Oh, so I had to keep tapping people. I was like, are you in line? Are you in line? Are you in line? Because they kept saying yeah, but then they will get out of line and somebody else will come take their spot. But it was like they friends or whatever. But it was just like the line was not moving. And it was kind of like the worker was kind of irritated or something when I was asking like, oh, do you have this? Do you have that? They were just like, no, we don't have that. Like, it was kind of like a, like, can you hurry it up because there's people in this line? But like, ma'am, I don't care, because why? Where's the help? Like, why y'all got no this, no that, no none of this? Like, it was annoying.
You talking about some, we doing the best we can. I said y'all can't shut it down.
Oh, oh yeah, so today was a $3 movie day or whatever. So it was everybody and mama up there, but like majority, it wasn't even adults for real. Like, majority of the people in there were kids.
Them parents dropped them kids off and was just like, bye.
Yeah, they was like, oh, we gonna go to the movies. You know how kids be. They be like, oh, we gonna go to the movies. And they be like, okay.
Them parents dropped them off and them kids was gone. Cause,
yeah.
No.
And the crazy part is that the movies that all them kids and stuff was in was rated R. So I don't know if y'all ever been to like Harkins or whatever, but when you go up there, it depends on, you know, who giving you the ticket or whatever. But I'm guessing since it was so many people, like, they didn't really care. Because
they wasn't asking for ID or nothing. Cause
y'all, these kids was bad for real. Like, they was cussing, and like all the kids had on like these gold chains. All the girls had like these long weaves, these big hoops and stuff. And I kid you not, these kids was not older than 15. Like, they was over there booed up. Okay, I look crazy, but it's whatever. Anyway, I think it's Saturday or Sunday, something like that. But we just came from Wingstop, and let me tell you, we just haven't been having good luck this week, because at first we were gonna go again to the Hart restaurant, which we did, but they didn't have like their milkshake machine, whatever, wasn't working. And then we went to a Wingstop so we can go try chicken sandwiches, but they didn't have no chicken sandwiches. And then also at the Hart restaurant, we went to try like new stuff, because I got the spicy chicken sandwich or whatever. But anyway, they didn't have nothing. So then we went to another Wingstop. They didn't have anything. So now we at this restaurant. Yeah. So we went to this to another Wingstop, and it was taking all day. It was messing up people's orders and all type of stuff. But yeah, and I got a garlic parmesan chicken sandwich, and then she got a mango habanero. The people who's doing DoorDash, they was getting mad because, like, I guess the person was about to cancel on them, say they didn't deliver the food or whatever like that. And he's trying to tell them, like, it's not me that didn't deliver your food, it's them that had to remake it and take it all day. Because they told us it was gonna be a 25-minute wait, but y'all, we was in there for
45 minutes.
Yeah. And then the girl, they gave the girl the wrong food. And I was like, can I look in your bag? Because she was like, it's a combo. I didn't order no combo. And I'm like, okay, well, we ordered a combo. Can I look? And she was like, yeah. And I looked, and that wasn't ours either. And it's 2 bags that was sitting on the counter, and nobody came and picked them up yet. So it was just like, okay, y'all probably giving people's food away, and y'all got to remake stuff because y'all giving stuff to the wrong people, and people digging all in the bag, picking out the food, talking about, this not mine, I didn't order these, da-da-da. So now the person who did order, they got to get their food remade because you touching it. And while I'm sitting here drinking, their machine wasn't working either. So you can only order like I guess the little juices, whatever and stuff they had in the refrigerator behind them, like the sodas and stuff, because their machine wasn't working. So you had to go get 2 cans of soda. I got lemonade, and they had to give you like 2 cans of these, and then you just go to the little machine and get some ice, because ice was only be working. Like, y'all got a lot going on. This is the garlic parmesan. It don't look appetizing. Oh, it is a lot. It's alright though. It's not like crazy good, but it's alright. It's solid.